In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Firebase account. First, an important clarification. There isn't a separate Firebase account. Firebase uses your Google account. So when people talk about deleting a Firebase account, what you actually do is delete the Firebase project that contains your apps and data. This won't delete your Google account, only the selected project and its Firebase resources. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and signing in. On the console homepage, you'll see a list of your projects. Click the project you want to remove. Take a moment to double check you've selected the right one, especially if you manage several projects with similar names. If there's anything you might need later, consider exporting your data from services like Firestore, real-time database, or cloud storage before proceeding. Inside the project, look in the left sidebar near Project Overview for the small gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click it, then open Project Settings. You should land on the General tab automatically. If not, switch to General at the top. Now scroll to the very bottom of the General page. You'll see the Delete Project option. Clicking this opens a confirmation window that explains exactly what will be removed. Read these details carefully. Deleting a project permanently removes its Firebase services, including authentication users, databases, storage buckets, functions, and hosting configurations. Any linked Google Cloud resources under that project are also scheduled for deletion, and billing for the project will stop once deletion completes. Before continuing, you'll be asked to acknowledge the consequences. Review the statements and select each checkbox to confirm you understand what's being deleted and that this action can't be undone. Depending on your setup, you may also be prompted to type the project ID to verify you're deleting the correct project. When you're sure, click Delete Project to finalize. The console will begin the removal process. Some services may take a short time to fully deprovision in the background, but from your perspective, the project will disappear from the Firebase console and won't be available for use. If you have multiple apps spread across different projects, repeat the same process for each project you want to remove. Also, make sure you have the necessary permissions, typically the owner role, to delete a project. And that's it. You now know how to delete a Firebase project, which is effectively how you remove your Firebase presence tied to your Google account.